Oh, wow. You are just beautiful. This is where he lives. It's coming back. Oh, blue head. Nice, I could draw you.
Yeah, you should draw. So beautiful.
And here is another one of these tree kangaroos.
There is two actually.
Can you see this little one? Oh, there's more. Oh, that is a true tree kangaroo. Wow, he's cute. He's up there living in a tree, living the life of a tree kangaroo. Guys, look at this beautiful tree kangaroos behind me, and on the other side is a big bird walking. Where else can you see that other than in Perth Zoo? He's gone.